How's it, beautiful people, again?
Hello, we are on our way to a little village, medieval village on top of Etna, and we are so excited, honestly. It's called, what's it called again? Castiglione
Di Sicilia.
di Sicilia. So we will take you along with us and show you the little roads that takes us all the way up. Enjoy. È un passaggio.
That must be the bell tower over there.
Yeah. There's the San Benedetto.
That seems to be the highest point. Okay. She's trying to get in. She's breaking in.
I want to see if anybody comes out of here. Here you can see a 12th century castle of Ruggero di Lauria. It's perched on this huge rock. You have to go up a few cobblestone steps and they take you all the way up towards the ruins of the castle. The actual castle is now the regional headquarters of the wine institution. In fact, there was a wine tasting session going on when we did go up. Castiglione di Sicilia is a medieval village and it's perched on a hill on the northern slopes of Etna. In fact, the views are absolutely stunning. We saw Etna, which is a live volcano, and it was full of snow. It is a classic hillside village with small houses clinging to the slope. The population is less than 3,000.
Yeah, I know. Oh wow, look at those chandeliers in it though. Mamma mia.
I'm in chandelier heaven. The old part of Castiglione is very small and you can walk around it and not get tired. But I must say, all the little streets and all the little alleyways were quite deceiving. We got a little bit lost at some point and then found ourselves back on track. We're looking for a place to eat. We got out of the maze of the of the little village. Now we're going down to the main square and we're going to look for something to eat. For lunch we decided to drive down to the next village going down. And it was called Lingua Glossa. We found these round dough-like balls, and mine was filled with cheese, speck and pistachio, which was really nice. And Massi's was filled with sausage and radicchio. We also had a nice cup of coffee, so we were ready to get back home again. And I loved this little cafe. I thought it was really quaint and it was different. Okay, Massi, what are you doing now?
Laying some broken tile. Looking at the mosaic.
Nice.
Like the Greeks did.
The Romans. Like a jigsaw puzzle.
Yeah.
Like it. Cover up this old stone here.
Right, so the first step is done. What I have done, I've taken these stones, laid cement, and placed them on. It's taken 3 days to complete. We're almost completed. As you can see, Maria's doing the last touching up.
The fashion.
Hey, what we're doing, we're just washing the tiles with the excess cement. As you can see, as Maria goes with a sponge, it cleans off the tiles.
Nice.
The cement is coming off slowly. It's a very painstaking job. Maria is not liking it at all. And it is actually turning out to be more beautiful as we go along. I'll give another update once we're completely done.
I've already prepared the boiled potatoes because I'm gonna make an American potato salad.
Very nice. I
Yeah.
don't know what I'm having for dinner. I'm on my own.
That's for tomorrow.
Oh, that's for tomorrow.
Yeah, yeah.
We picked up these delicious pastries, or sfoglie, which were made with ham and onion, and they were very good. We also picked up a little bottle of coffee, espresso, which helped us give us a bit of energy. This one?
No.
Asparagus. Yay! So this is a question I wanted to ask Angela, and the question was, what was the secret to happiness?
Silence. Silence is golden, golden.
It's true, hey?
This is silence here in the background.
Absolutely. Angela always takes me to these amazing places, but I'm not allowed to tell you how to get here. Otherwise she'll kill me. Is that right?
Sacred places.
Yeah.